I'm here with my Dash personal donut maker and some blueberries, and let's see if we can make a blueberry donut. Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. So it is blueberry season right now. I have a whole bunch of blueberries in my fridge that I need to use, so I thought, let's see if I can make a quick blueberry donut today. I have a really busy day ahead. I just want to make a really quick and easy breakfast, and I thought this would be good to try, so let's see how it works. I have my Dash personal donut maker heating up. The blue light is on. Once the blue light goes off, we're ready to start making our donut. And for the donut batter, I'm going to be using this mason jar. The reason why is because my immersion blender fits perfectly in this mason jar. First thing I'm going to add is an egg. Then I'm going to add some blueberries. Maybe that's like a 1/4 cup of blueberries. Maybe it's 1/3 of a cup. I don't know. Blueberries can be kind of tart, so I'm adding a tablespoon of brown sugar, a few drops of vanilla extract, and I'm going to blend this up. And that's what it looks like. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of flour, and this I'm going to use a spoon with. I'm going to add a little bit more flour, probably like another 2 tablespoons, like 1/8 of a cup. So maybe all totaled, this would be like 1/3 of a cup of flour. I think that's a nicer consistency. It's a bit thicker. And now let's add some baking powder. I'll do a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to stir that in and make sure everything is well combined. It's actually kind of a nice purple color. Here's the donut maker. The blue light is on, but it was off. So let's put our batter in here. It just clicked off again. So let's pour the batter in. There's a lot of batter here, and as you can see, I did cover the little thing in the middle, so we can push that aside if we want to, but it doesn't really matter because this unit kind of just shapes it into a donut anyway. So let's shut this, and I'm going to cook this for 8 minutes. It has been 8 minutes now, so let's see what's going on here. Wow, look at that. That looks awesome. Can I grab it out? Yeah, look at that. There's the bottom. This donut is super hot, so I am going to let it cool down for a few minutes. Here's my donut after it's been cooling for 5 minutes. It has deflated a little tiny bit, but that's okay. And what I'm going to do is add some powdered sugar to it. Because what's a donut without something sweet coating it? As you can see, the powdered sugar is not sticking very well, but that's fine. That's fine. It'll still add like a little sweetness to the outside. Actually, it's almost forming like a glaze from the heat of the donut, because the donut's still like really warm. I should have just made a quick glaze with it, but that's fine. Okay, so here's our donut. Let's open it up and see what's going on inside. Look at that. That looks so good. The donut itself is not very sweet because I only added 1 tablespoon of sugar. When I make this again, I'm probably going to add like 2 or 3 tablespoons of sugar, just because when you think of a donut, you think of something that's much sweeter than this currently is. This is perfectly fine for me because I'm not crazy about things that are super sweet. But again, when you think of a donut, you do think of something sweeter. The other thing I forgot to do is add a pinch of nutmeg, because nutmeg is what gives cake donuts their classic flavor. So if I added a pinch of nutmeg, this would totally have the essence of a classic cake donut. But I'm really happy with this, how it is. It's really good. It's really tasty. And it was quick and easy to make. And this is something that I could just grab and take with me if I wanted to leave right now. Or I could just quickly eat this before I leave the house, which is what I am going to do. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with this Dash Personal Donut Maker. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.